Hi! In front of me is Huawei MatePad SE, and today I would like to show you how you can use voice recorder on this tablet. First of all, you need to locate the recorder app. It should be in Huawei Apps folder. When you find it, click on it. Now tap on this red button to start your recording. You can pause it or unpause it by clicking on this right one. In order to add a bookmark, click on the left one, and if you wish to end it and save it, on the middle one. As you can see, my recording is over here. If you want to edit it, click on Edit next to Skip Silence. Then adjust it however you want to. Now click on Trim. Pick the best option for you and save your changes by clicking on this check mark at the top right corner. If you wish to discard them, click on X at the top left one. Then select Discard in the pop-up. You can also rename your recording by holding it, choosing Rename option at the bottom, and typing in wherever you wish to. To save your name, click on OK. If you wish to get rid of it though, hold it again. But this time select Delete next to Rename and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!